Hello and welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Product Reviews. Today, I have a really cool handheld vaporizer that was sent to me by the team at Vivant. And the unit I have today is the Vivant Ambit. This is a flower vaporizer for personal use. Nice, sleek box. Like how it's done, like a high quality electronic, and what you always want when you're spending that $100 price point on a unit. What's included inside the box is one Ambit vaporizer, one USB cable, one packing tool, and one cleaning brush. Scratch check, there's a security code so that you can make sure that you purchased a real Vivant Ambit. So I guess let's open it up, use it, and review it. This is my first look. I guess you really get the first look because I'm not even looking. Whoa! And there it is. Nothing on that side. Very quality. And there is assumably our instructions. And there is our vaporizer. It's not going to fall out of there very easy, which is always nice. And very cool. So we'll dig into the instructions in a sec. Here's the actual unit. It's in there pretty good. And that is the unit itself. About the size of my palm. It weighs actually very little compared to the packs. It weighs, man, maybe half, maybe even less than half. And compared to the Zeus Arc GT, again, about half. And there is quite a large battery in this. I don't remember the exact milliamps, but I do remember it was quite a large battery. So let's keep digging through the box, and then we'll use it and break it down and see what happens. So left in the box, there is another nice little piece. It's a slick box. I always like a nice box design. And you have a braided micro USB cable. Always nice to get the braided ones. It does feel like a nice quality. It's got a metal tip on it, so that's nice. And then a cleaning brush, and what I'm probably going to use is an extra dabber because there's nothing in there we're going to use this for, so that's fantastic. So let's put that back in our box, and that is absolutely everything in our box. And they did send me one extra piece, this, and it says water pipe adapter, and I believe the water pipe adapter does come with every single unit that you purchase. The bag's completely sealed. There we go. And that is the water pipe attachment, and it all works with magnets. So there's the water pipe attachment. So let's break it down. Let's start using the actual unit. I believe this is all magnets, so very easy. Snaps right into place for your loading chamber. If you had your water pipe attachment, bada bing, bada boom, plug it into your pipe. It's good for 10 sessions. So again, that just goes on like that. Nice and easy. I like it when it is convenient. I guess there's nothing much more to do than to use it. Pull the mouthpiece out, load materials, press the power button 5 times, up and down, adjust the temperature. Press the power button 3 times to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate the heater. I think I can do all of that without having to read it again. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On. Nice. You see that? Well, maybe you can't. Nice little LED screen, says Vivant. And then you can see that the temperature is right there. Kind of. And it is at 380. I wish you could see this. A nice little LED screen. I'm sorry. Focus. You get the idea. Nice little LED screen. Set to 380. 1, 2, 3. Clicks. Changes it to Celsius, and 1, 2, 3 changes it back to Fahrenheit, which we are mostly used to for consuming cannabis. And then these buttons up on the front here go up and down, and you can see it changing in real time on the screen, which is cool. So we got it at 380. I guess we shall load some herbs up. Here is the chamber. How much can we fit in the chamber? I guess I need to hide my face. In the chamber, it is about, the tip of your pinky deep for sure. So we could, I think this is a 0.2 or 0.3 nug of mimosa. So let's just see how much we can sneak in here. Let's do a nice little finger grind. Okay, that looks like it is about full. I packed it in there. It's right to the rim. So much of the nug we have left. So there's probably 0.2 in there, 0.15. No problem. Clean that up. Snap our handy dandy mouthpiece on. This might be my favorite part of the whole unit. And, oh, it turned off on me because I didn't do anything quick enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. On. You gotta be quick with the turn on. 5. And then hold for 3 seconds for heat up to start. And you can hear the haptic feedback, and you can see that there's these little lines giving you the heat up. Do, 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 do. Very cool. Little mouthpiece flips out like this so that it's nice and flat in your pocket. This is definitely a nice travel device. Like, it weighs barely anything, which is great. Here we go. If anybody's timing the heat up time. Do 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 do. Thanks for checking out this product review. If you're looking at buying vaporizers, I have lots of other vaporizer reviews from the PAX 3, Storz & Bickel Mighty, the Vapium Lite, so you can go check those out if you really want to decide which handheld unit is the absolute best for you. Hear the haptic feedback. Let's give it a puff. Pretty nice vapor. Oh, there's actually a countdown going on too. Started at 120 seconds, and now we're on 103. So we get a 2-minute sesh. The first thing I noticed is I like the draw of the unit. It's very airy. It feels like you're pulling a lot of air. You're not like struggling to pull any vapor out of it. The flavor is quite nice. I could definitely lower it down on the actual unit, but I thought 380 was a good starting point. You can see that there's nice vapor production, and the cannabis definitely does not taste burnt. It does taste vaporized. Pretty tasty. Like, I have no complaints. I like it when I'm getting vapor clouds. I can taste that now my cannabis is being vaporized, and it's getting to that point. So they say you have 10 120-second sessions per battery charge. So that's nice. You could probably smoke about 1.5 grams, vaporize 1.5 grams of cannabis, which would be more than enough. One charge, you could pass this around, definitely have a sesh with it. And if you had a water pipe, you could pop this in. So big vapor clouds, nothing tasting burnt. I think these are the air holes on the bottom where everything's pulling through. They are indeed right on the bottom, so you don't want to cover those. I've got 14 seconds left on my sesh, so I'm 10, 9. I'm going to try and do it the last 8 seconds. Ooh. Don't usually cough, so nice vapor production. The vapor is a little bit hot in comparison to the Zeus or the PAX 3, but that just may be the amount of space in between the heating unit and where we're sucking through. I really like the mouthpiece. It's very easy to put your lips on. It feels convenient. It feels very familiar. So all in all, pretty slick unit. I don't have anything to knock on it. I think it would make an absolutely fantastic gift, especially to a new consumer. I don't know, this unit would definitely appease me as a expert professional consumer, but this is a great place to start in that near $100 price point for a new consumer. Easy charging port, easy buttons, absolutely everything is built for user convenience. Tasted good, big vapor clouds. So final review, what's it gonna be? Out of 10 points, I have never given a handheld vaporizer 10 points. I'm not going to give it 9 points either, but I definitely think it's between a 7.5 and 8 point unit. I haven't used it that much. One session, it is getting a little bit hot in my hand, so I would be hesitant to do 10 sessions actually. So I am going to give it the 7.5. It's a very solid unit. I like how it's built. I like the weight of it. And they sent it to me, so it's free, so even better. But that does not change my opinion or create any type of bias. This is totally a legit review. But if you do want to buy one, there is a discount code down below that they set me up with when they sent me the vaporizer. So solid unit, very light, easy to carry, portable. Enjoyed it, and will probably give it to my dad for consuming cannabis. So we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are going to purchase a Vivant Ambit, use the code below. Till next time, cheers!
What's my name? What's my name? The Cannabis Sommelier.